Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr. Today, some more frequently asked questions. One of the questions we get often, can I use a Fluidampr in a supercharger application? Yes, of course you can. The pulleys are 3.2 inch bolt circle, so small block Chevy, big block Chevy. Fords, you can use them for supercharger pulleys, LS dampers as well. There are some great companies out there that make kits that incorporate our damper already with their kit, or you can swap out and use that supercharger kit with our dampers. A lot of the LS family, those dampers do not come with a keyway, but you can get an aftermarket pin kit. They're pretty readily available, but we do recommend pinning the damper when you do run a supercharger. So that's today's frequently asked question. If you have any questions about any of our products or anything in specific with Fluidampr, shoot us an email, support@fluidampr.com, or you can give us a phone call. We'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, see you guys soon.